This is the programmer Al, and in this video I'm going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge called Solve the Equation. And it's a little daunting when you look at it because it says create a function that takes an equation and returns the answer. And if you see it, it's like 1 plus 1, 7 times 4 minus 2. And my mind automatically went to, I'm going to have to treat it as a string. I'm going to have to break it apart bit by bit. And this isn't supposed to be, or this is supposed to be a very easy challenge. And I'm like, that seems like a lot of work for a very easy challenge. Well, that's why this resources tab is very helpful, because I was like, this is a lot. I don't know if I can do it. And they give you some resources, and apparently there is a really cool function or method in Python called eval, and that'll take the expression and evaluate it for you. So that makes it super simple to write this code. They give you the name of the code, or the name of the function, and the argument it's going to take, and all you have to do is type return eval s, and that should solve all these tests right here of the different equations. So let's see if that works. Alright, so that worked. And so anytime you come up to a problem, always do some Google searching first, especially on Edabit. They have really great resources for you to look through, and it's just a good way to learn new methods and discover them and practice using that method in writing code. And that is how you solve an equation using the eval method in Python.